Fiverr is a leading marketplace connecting businesses with freelancers offering hundreds of digital services, including graphic design, copywriting, film editing, web programming, and more. Whether you're looking for help with translating a document from Italian to English, illustrations for a children's book, or a British voiceover artist, we've got the talent you need to make it happen instantly. And with just a few easy clicks, you will too. If you're on a tight budget or timeline, our filters allow you to search based on your needs. You'll get all the details up front. No negotiations, no delays, and no transaction is complete until you're 100% satisfied with the work. When you're ready, just place your order, and Fiverr will give you instant access to the world's top freelancers in the service category you need. It's as simple as that. On budget, on time, and with Fiverr on your side every step of the way. What are you waiting for? Let's get more done. Together. Fiverr.
Fiverr's marketplace connects businesses with freelancers who offer hundreds of digital services for logo design, website copy, voiceover, and more. But some projects are larger, more complex, and require a full team to complete. Sometimes you need a logo, and a website, and website content, and maybe even a video to easily explain what that website is used for. Sometimes you don't need one service, you need multiple. And that's where Fiverr Studios comes in. Fiverr Studios is a dedicated team of freelancers and one studio lead working together on one project. Instead of searching for multiple freelancers in multiple places, Studios saves you time by offering a full team of designers, developers, writers, videographers, and more, all in one place. Your studio lead will manage the process from A to Z. That means they'll handle timelines, feedback, and communication between the studio and you. And just like Fiverr's fixed pricing model, you'll always know exactly what you're paying for upfront. One studio, one payment, one centralized location with everything you need to bring your vision to life. Fiverr Studios, you're just a few clicks away from getting it all done.